Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to use constraint layout to show items in a row as well as in a column. So here you can see I have three labels. The first two labels are in a row and the second and the third label is in a column. So as you can see, this is the output for it. Now let's see how to achieve this. So first you can create an Android project with the old XML layout, and here as you can see, by default you will see constraint layout. So I have defined one text view. Now if you remember, like I'll show you the output. So this is the first text view, right? I'll just zoom in a little. So this is the first text view, and I'm assigning the start or of our text view to the start of our parent, and parent is constraint layout, right? So here you don't need to specify the ID, like you don't need to write @id/main, something like this. You can just write parent. It automatically understands it is a constraint layout. If you want, you can write ID as well, that's fine. But yeah, typically if for constraint layout you just write it as parent, because it is a parent, right, of text view's parent is constraint layout. And then the top of our text view is assigned to the top of our constraint layout as well. Now if you see this, what I have done, the start of our second text view, so I have assigned some ID to our first text view. Now if you see the start of our first text view, start of our first text view is assigned to the end of first text view. Start of our second text view is assigned to the end of first text view, right? So here you can see that's what it is doing. Then the top of our top of second text view is assigned to the top of first text view. Now here if you want, you can write parent as well, but yeah, anyways is fine. And then the end of our second text view is assigned to the end of our parent, which is constraint layout. So I hope you are getting what I am trying to say. Now if you see over here, I have taken another text view. Now the end of our third text view is assigned to the end of our parent, okay, constraint layout. Start is assigned to the start of our parent. Now the top is assigned to the bottom of second text view. If you want, you can assign it to the bottom of first text view as well. Okay, so I hope you are getting what I am trying to say. Suppose now I can do one more thing. I can do something like this. For our first text view, constraint end to start of second text view, and if you see, it gets moved at the very center. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.